Awning Windows Tuscaloosa is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functional appeal. With a variety of awning window styles available, including aluminum awning windows, vinyl awning windows, and wooden awning windows, residents can find the perfect match for their home. Awning window contractors in Tuscaloosa offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process. Energy-efficient awning windows Tuscaloosa are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Awning window experts in Tuscaloosa can provide detailed awning window quotes and estimates to help homeowners make informed decisions. Custom awning windows Tuscaloosa allow homeowners to personalize their window designs to suit their unique tastes and architectural styles. Awning window suppliers in Tuscaloosa offer a wide range of options, ensuring that every customer finds the perfect fit. Awning window consultation services are available to guide homeowners through the selection process. Awning window replacement Tuscaloosa is essential for maintaining the longevity and functionality of your windows. Regular awning window maintenance can prevent costly replacements and ensure that windows operate smoothly. Awning window services in Tuscaloosa include everything from minor replacements to complete overhauls, ensuring that your windows remain in top condition. Awning window replacement Tuscaloosa is a straightforward process with the help of experienced awning window contractors. Whether you're upgrading to energy-efficient awning windows Tuscaloosa or replacing outdated models, professional installation ensures optimal performance. Awning window solutions in Tuscaloosa are tailored to meet the specific needs of each homeowner. Awning window prices in Tuscaloosa vary depending on the materials and features selected. Aluminum awning windows, vinyl awning windows, and wooden awning windows each offer distinct benefits and price points. Awning window estimates in Tuscaloosa provide a clear understanding of the costs involved, allowing homeowners to budget effectively. Awning window enhancements in Tuscaloosa can significantly improve the appearance and functionality of your windows. From innovative awning window designs to advanced awning windows Tuscaloosa features, there are numerous ways to upgrade your windows. Awning window upgrades in Tuscaloosa are a smart investment for any homeowner looking to increase property value. Awning window benefits in Tuscaloosa extend beyond aesthetics, offering improved ventilation, natural light, and energy efficiency. Awning window options in Tuscaloosa cater to a wide range of preferences, ensuring that every homeowner can find the perfect solution. Awning window styles in Tuscaloosa are diverse, providing ample choices for customization. Awning window consultation in Tuscaloosa is a valuable service for homeowners seeking expert advice on window selection and installation. Awning window experts in Tuscaloosa provide comprehensive guidance, from initial design concepts to final installation. Awning window services in Tuscaloosa, Alabama